come back to play. No my hockey, my car, toy time. Oh, it's the trumpets! Yes! Let's go!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Keep on your toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time, fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie, on marimba. And we got Anika Moy, yeah, we on my cup. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! Aya! Tama! Jojo! Yes! Anika! Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Keep on your toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
All right, Toy Time teamer, give me a B.
B!
Give me an O. O! Give me a D.
D!
Give me a Y.
Y!
B-O-D-Y. What does it spell? Body.
Body!
Ah, kia ora, everyone. No mai, hoki mai. I'm Maya, and these are my best friends called Jojo, Raua called Tama. And today's show is all about our tinana, our body.
From the fluffy tips of our hair down to the tippy tops of our toes.
Everybody's welcome.
Hola ke tātou.
Haora, tinana, look after your body. Haora, tinana, show it aroha. Haora, tinana, keep it safe and healthy. Haora, tinana, it's part of who you are. Eat all your vegetables and you'll grow up strong. Good kai and fresh water will help you along. It's fun to stay up late, but you need some sleep. Bodies repair themselves while you're catching Z's. Haora, tinana, look after your body. Haora, tinana, show it aroha. Haora, tinana, keep it safe and healthy. Haora, tinana, it's part of who you are. A shower or a bath will make you so clean. Washing your hands is good and brushing your teeth. All of these things are really so good for you. Fresh air and exercise is part of it too. Haora, tinana, look after your body. Haora, tinana, show it aroha. Haora, tinana, keep it safe and healthy. Haora, tinana, it's part of who you are. Haora, tinana, look after your body. Haora, tinana, show it aroha. Haora, tinana, keep it safe and healthy. Haora, tinana, it's part of who you are.
Oh, kia ora. We're making a cardboard hospital. We just have to do a couple more things. Maya, you move that building, and Tama, you do that thing with the thing.
Thing with the thing.
What
time is it on?
Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Wow, Jojo, this looks amazing.
Okay.
We're ready for any emergency. It was a beautiful morning in Cardboard City. Maya and Tama were out for their daily jog when suddenly disaster struck.
Whoa!
Oh, my knee! Ow, my elbow! Ouch! My head! Ouch! Ouch! Oh.
Kei te pai koe, Maya?
Yeah, I think so, Tama, but I don't think I can jog anymore. It really hurts.
Hey, kaua e maharahara. Don't worry, I know exactly what to do. I'll dial 111 and ask for help. Yeah. Ha. Okay. Tahi, tahi, tahi.
Ring, 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 ring. Tēnā koe, this is emergency services. How can I help?
Kia ora, I need your help. Kuararu taku hoa. My friend Maya hurt herself. I think she needs to go to the hospital.
This looks like a job for the ambulance. Ka reo e roa, I'm on my way.
He's here.
Kia ora, Maya. Where does it hurt?
Taku tsuri.
Your knee? Okay. Anywhere else?
Ai, taku toke.
Your elbow. Anywhere else?
Ai, taku upoko.
How does your upoko feel now?
Much better, thank you.
We better get you to the hospital. You might have a concussion. Hop in. Hoaka tātou, ki te oe bera. All right, please help me, kind sir.
Thank you for helping my friend.
Kate Pie, anytime. I love helping people. Right, quick. Ooh, this way.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm on a mission to use my tinana. I'm going to use my arms, my hands, my legs and my feet. Let's see what we can find. Hoa ke tātou. Oh. Still got it. Oh, some monkey bars. I'm gonna have to use all my body for this one. Let's try do it reverse. Alrighty. And a leg, and an arm, and a leg, and an arm. All right. Almost there. Almost there. This is awesome, eh, whānau? Come on, let's see what else we can find. Oh, ta tunnel. Oh, it's a wriggly tunnel. Oh, I've got to use my balance on this one. Whoa. Oh, almost there. I made it. Oh, come on. Whoa, look at all the beautiful colours. We have kōwhai, karaka, and waipuropuro. Oh, that's beautiful. Hey, come check out what I found. Oh, here it is. It's a bazooka. Okay, put our ammo in the top. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, again. Okay, come on. Whoa. Oh. I hope you've had an awesome time today, cuzzies. I'll see you again next time. Ka kite anō.
Ohoko mo no koro tonga fo. A, E, I, O, U. Uhukumu no puru tuungufu.
Now let's do it nice and loud.
Ahakama na para taonga fa. Ehekeme ne pere te wene te. Ihikimi ni pere te wene fi. Ohoko mo no koro tonga fo. A, E, I, O, U. Uhukumu no puru tuungufu.
Okay, now nice and quietly.
Ahakama na para taonga fa. Ehekeme ne pere te wene te. Ihikimi ni pere te wene fi. Ohoko mo no koro tonga fo. A, E, I, O, U. Uhukumu no puru tuungufu. Ahakama na para taonga fa. Ehekeme ne pere te wene te. Ihikimi ni pere te wene fi. Ohoko mo no koro tonga fo. A, E, I, O, U. Uhukumu no puru tuungufu.
Why'd you stop? That was cool as music. I could hear it from all the way outside.
Thanks, Buzz. Hey, that looks heavy. Let me help.
No, don't stop, Jojo. We're heading straight to the music room for a very musical takaro time. Come on!
Wait for us.
Hiya! These are amazing, Buzz. What are they?
Oh, they're called instruments, Tama. Ngā taonga puoro. Oh, each sounds a little bit different, but they all let you make music with your tinana, your body. See? These little beauties are called bongo drums. You have a go, Maya.
Okay, well, this is a xylophone.
Oh, this one's called a ukulele.
And my favourite, the recorder.
Oh, we're all really good. I know. We should form a band. We could call it Bamata Joe. Bamata Joe. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Kia ora whānau. We're Bamata Joe. And this is Tama with a solo. And a 3, 2, 1,
Kia ora, my lovelies. I'm Auntie Anika and I'm going to the doctor's for my checkup. When you go to the tākuta, there are a few things you need to know. First, the doctor will take your temperature using one of these. It's called a thermometer and it tells the tākuta if you're too hot or cold. It goes here under your arero. See? I'm just right. Now this looks like an ice block stick, but sadly there's no ice block attached. It's so the doctor can check your korokoro, your throat. All you have to do is stick out your tongue and say, ah. You can practice in the mirror. See if you can spot the little dangly thing at the back of your korokoro, your throat. It looks like a baked bean, but it's not a baked bean. It's called your uvula. Now, last of all, the doctor will listen to your chest using a stethoscope. Kia whakamātau I tō manawa. Okay, got to be very still. Don't do any funky dance moves or singing. And hā ki roto, hā ki waho. Yeah, sounds good in here. Cool. And we're done. Ka pai.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Hi, Wolfie. Kete pai koe? You seem a little worried.
I am worried, Oma.
Oh.
My claws are a bit too long. Kua roa rawa. So they need a little trim.
Oh, that's easy, Wolfie. I can help you if you like.
Oh, well, okay. Thanks, Oma. I'm a very brave wolfie. I'm a very brave wolfie. I'm a very brave wolfie.
Clipping your claws shouldn't be scary, Wolfie. What are you worried is going to happen?
Oh, I'm worried it's gonna hurt like when you cut yourself on something sharp.
Oh, well, you don't have to worry about that because your claws don't have any nerve endings, so you won't feel a thing.
It won't?
No, go.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay.
How did that feel, Wolfie? In my mai?
Oh, that didn't hurt a bit. Oh, keep going, Oma, keep going.
All done. You're a very brave Wolfie.
Fingers, 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 wave your fingers all around. Fingers, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Fingers, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Hands, 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 wave your hands all around. Hands, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Hands, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Knees, 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 wiggle your knees all around. Knees, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Knees, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your knees go slap, slap, slap? And can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Feet, 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 shuffle your feet all around. Feet, 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 let's all jump up off the ground. Feet, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your feet go tap, tap, tap? And can you make your knees go slap, slap, slap? And can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I did it! Bye! 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 Bye!
29, 30, 31, 32. Toru te kaumarua, 32 teeth. But I didn't always have this many niho. When I was younger, they got wobbly and then they fell out. And then new ones grew in their place. I wonder why. Kia ora, mōhio.
Tēnā koe, Maya. How can I help?
Why do our niho fall out?
Niho, or teeth that you grow as a baby, are very small. As you get older and bigger, you need bigger and stronger teeth. Your baby niho become wobbly and fall out so that new adult teeth can grow in their place.
Thanks, Mōhio. I can always count on you to tell me the truth.
Anytime, e hoa.
We're going to take your blindfold off. Ready?
Okay.
Ta-da! Okay, Tama, Maya and I have made something very special for What's in the Box? It has treats in it for your tinana. Ka tākoro koe?
I love treats. What are they?
Why don't you put your hand in and find out?
All right.
Oh!
Oh. Ooh, it feels like a tube of something. And it's slippery. Is it a tube of something slippery?
Aye, it's a tube of lip balm, Tama. You can use it on your lips to keep them nice and soft and hydrated. And this one even has SPF in it, which protects your lips from the sun.
Whoa, cool.
All right, Tama, there's another treat in the box. Why don't you reach your other hand in?
All right. Is it a bottle of something?
Yes, it's a bottle of moisturiser.
Moisturiser helps to keep your skin soft and hydrated and glowing. Would you like me to put some on your hand?
Yes, please.
Thanks, Jojo.
Whoa, that's amazing. This is the best What's in the Box ever. Whoa. Hydration.
Let's play Simon Says. Simon says, balance on one leg. Simon says, touch your shoulders. Simon says, turn around. Simon says, skip along. Simon says, march. Star jumps. I didn't say Simon Says.
I know.
Sophia, you won. Well done.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita's new friend at the playground. Tavita's friend, Shadow. Tavita had slid down the slide, played on the merry-go-round, swung on the swing, and monkeyed himself on the monkey bars. But Tavita felt something was missing. He needed a friend to play with. Suddenly, rays of sunlight started to peek through the fluffy clouds. The sunlight ran up Tavita's body, forming a shadow on the ground that looked just like Tavita. Tavita turned to a shadow and said, "Talofa, my friend." The shadow didn't say anything. Off they ran back to the slide. Tavita reached the top and said to his friend, "You can go first." His shadow politely stood behind Tavita. Tavita said, "All right, I'll go first and show you how it's done." And he slid down the slide, followed closely by his shadow. "Woohoo! You did it, Shadow! You did it!" Tavita rushed over to his mum. Mum, I want you to meet my friend." Mum looked but couldn't see anyone. "This is my friend, Shadow. He doesn't talk very much, but he's really cool." Tavita pointed to his shadow. "Oh, talofa, Shadow," Mum said. "I'd like you to meet Mama Shadow." And she pointed to her own shadow. Then all four of them sat down to morning tea, happy they had made new friends. Tō whā sui poa. We'll see you next time.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whā soi whā, e noho